Hey guys, welcome back to Rich's Mowers and Blowers. What do we got? What are we looking at? So we have this 150cc Power Stroke power washer, and it's been sitting around for a minute or two. Has the signs of bad gas in it, so you can smell the difference when you open up the gas tank there. And then when you open up the side cover here, you can actually smell on your filter all the bad gas. So that's probably what's going on with it. So what we're going to do today, we're going to go ahead and drain this gas out. Maybe take the bowl off and drain all that out. See what the bowl looks like inside. So first of all, this is nice because it has the shutoff on it. So we're going to take it loose from right back here. We're going to drain this gas tank out, anything that's in there. And then we're going to move up toward the front. Questions and comments, put those below. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, get notified every time I put out a new video. And to get that algorithm on YouTube hopping, make sure you hit that thumbs up. What we got set up, we got a pan to catch the gas in and a funnel to bring it down here like that. And then we're going to take this off and just put that hose down in there and let it drain down into our pan. Get rid of that stuff. So we got the clip off, got the camera set up here, so we're just going to take this off right here and hopefully catch it right in that funnel. There we go. Let's rearrange that a little bit. Alright, we'll let that drain. But that was pretty easy. Draining that out. Now we're going to move to the front of the bowl. Take that loose. And go ahead and reattach this on here. And then don't forget to redo your clip here. So take that, put that up there so it's nice and tight. So on your bowl down here, on your carburetor, this one actually has two screws. So the bottom one is to actually hold on the bowl, and this one here is like a drain plug. So you can take this off and drain some of the gas out of there. So all you do is loosen this up. That's like a 10mm on there, and we'll catch that. Whatever gas is in there, we'll catch that in our bowl. We'll see if we can sneak it under here somehow. So just go ahead and loosen that up. If you want to protect your hands, you can wear some gloves. There we go. Get that out of there, and definitely that smells bad. So before you guys put these away for the winter time, you can take this off, drain that out of there, then just go ahead and try to start it up for a second. Make sure all that gas is ran out of there for the winter time. So we're going to go ahead and loosen up this other one just to see if there's any gas that'll come out of that one. So nothing appears to come out of that one. You can definitely smell the difference in the gas and the color that it's on the gloves. Alright, so if you want to actually remove the bowl, you can just wiggle it a little bit. Get that down in there like that. So you can see if there's any debris in there. There's a little bit. And you can see some buildup of the bad gas that's in there, that ethanol gas that when it coagulates, I would say. It's a good word, coagulates. You can see the residue. So you want to clean that out really good. Take some carburetor spray in here and break all that stuff up. So by looking at this here, I believe we've caught it in time. So there's no real hard yellowing or anything on there. This is moving freely. Your float moves up and down. In the bowl where that gas started to work on that bowl, so we've caught it in time. We're going to go ahead and put this back on there. So have that put on the same way you took it off. We're going to put the drain plug nut in the front like that. You want to keep that drain plug easy accessible. Alright, so that's back together. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some gas in it. We're going to go ahead and start it up because this thing looks like we caught it just in time so that it's not as bad as some of them I've seen. So what happens, Rich, if we drain the gas out, drain that bowl out, we put some fresh gas in it, and it still doesn't want to start? So what's our next option? I'm glad you asked. This quick release on it. If you guys don't have a quick release, I would suggest getting one because it saves you some time, money, and frustration to be able to snap that right on. Alright, so on the water. There we go. And let's see if we can fire it up. So it fired up right on the first pull. That's what we needed, was the carburetor cleaned out. Alright, so there we have it. That's how to get your power washer back working. Hey guys, if it's just cleaning out the gas tank and emptying the bowl or taking off the whole carburetor, you too can do it. So thanks for joining me. This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Pshhh. We'll see you next time. Questions and comments, put those below. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, get notified every time I put out a new video. And to get that algorithm on YouTube hopping, make sure you hit that thumbs up.